Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. So, I think you know what I'm going to show you. So, if you had your Space ID domain, just you need to do that. Click this link and open it in your browser. So, I'm going to open it on Q browser. Okay, paste the link here and click on here. After that, wait for a second for loading this browser. After the loading is complete, make it on desktop mode. Okay, it is easier to operate. So when the page is successfully loaded, click on MetaMask. After that, confirm it from your Q browser extension. Here you can see I'm going to confirm it. Okay, after that, click on connect and wait for a second and click on sign. Okay, after that, when it's complete, go to the website again and wait for the loading complete. Click the cross button, which was a notification pop-up here. After that, search your domain name. I got my domain that 1112. So what I need to do, that click on log, and after that I need to pay with this. If you had 8 digits, so you don't need to give them the fee. If you had only 4 digits, you need to give them a fee. Okay, so what you need to do, that click on search your domain here. That's like me 000, and it was 360 and like 1, and click on search button. Okay, the domain is already climate, and yeah, all those domains are climate like 1 2, and yeah, this domain is also climate. Then I'm going to search Gorib digit. The GoribInsaan domain is free. Here you can see the thing was here. Okay, the 4 to 7 digits is 9.992.199. 8 digits is free, and 8 to 11 digits. Okay, here you can see that here. After that, click on log, and here you can see I need to pay free, like free, it's free for me, and click on confirm. After that, the payment is processing, and wait for a second. That confirm your order minutes, but it was too important for every user who didn't had the space ID domain. So you must need to uh, had one domain at least, just for the future airdrop. And here you can see my token was sent it to this address, and wait for a minute. And after that, you can see here it is your point, it's your point here. Okay, and you can all share with your friends by this link. Okay, I hope. And you can go to earn after that, and here you can see those taxes. I am going to say this, what's they you need to do to complete this. Wait for a minute. Space ID domain, so you need to go here and click on DID. After that, wait for a second, and when you are here, click on GoribInsaan.bnb, but that's mean click on your domain and click on binding. Okay, after that, go to the MetaMask and confirm the transaction. I think so you need to confirm a transaction here. What's happened to this? I think there's some problem. Hold on, you only to climb only one domain. You don't need to blind it because it has some problem with this. So when the problem is done, I will update it on my Telegram channel. So must join to my Telegram channel and be active on my Telegram channel. Okay, so bye bye. I hope you will understand my words, and see you later. Assalamu alaikum. Say peace.